Firstly, hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm wonderful. I'm doing great. I would like to start by, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Okay. To tell you about myself, I've recently finished in the month of September. I finished my PhD, and
Oh
it
my
was
goodness.
yes. So it was my dream right from sixth standard to become a clinical psychologist because I wanted to
Okay.
make a change in society. So, and my parents are both
Mm-hmm.
doctors. My sister is a psychiatrist. We have taken it mental health, because my mother has been counseling for the last 40 years. So I think it runs in our
Oh my
genes.
god. Oh my god. Yeah, obviously. It's obvious. And I am so, congratulations on completing your PhD. And I'm sure you made your whole family proud. And it's just so wonderful to hear that. Okay. So how did you come across Psyche as a platform?
Psyche was since I'm not so active on the social media, but to be honest, yes, I was just looking through. I got it through this WhatsApp only. I was looking
Okay.
for which I would be giving helpful to upscale myself, my knowledge. So
Mm-hmm.
so I thought this was a wonderful platform for me.
Okay, that's really nice. I mean, I'm sure that it's been really helpful. So it's a great thing that you came across our site.
Definitely.
Okay, yeah, wonderful. So, I would like to know, after spending some time on Psyche, I mean, you're part of the Psyche family now. So, has it helped you in any way, in growing with family, career-wise? How has it helped you?
I would say it has helped me in totality, be it my personal life, my professional, every way. I think I am blessed and fortunate to have been a part of this wonderful Psyche program. And special
Mhm.
thanks to Vaishaly, our facilitator, and to entire team. I would like to congratulate for their hard work and for bringing
Thank
those.
Okay, wow, that is so wonderful. So it has really helped you in like all segments of life. It's not just career, but like personal growth, everything.
Definitely. I've been a student all through my life, so I have loved this too.
Wow, wow, that is so wonderful, so beautiful to hear. Okay, so talking about Vaishali ma'am, so she's our facilitator. How was your experience with her? What would you like to say about her?
Oh, I have actually given her the acronyms that I've made for her. So I'll quickly just say that before I start anything about Vaishali. For me, Vaishali is vivacious, adorable, intellectual, sensible, hardworking, artistic, lovely, and youthful.
My goodness, that is so beautiful.
Total joyful to be. She's not just a facilitator. She's someone whom you can, she's so approachable. She's so witty, and it's just lovely to learn from her.
Hmm. Okay, so your experience with her as not only as a facilitator, but it would be more like a friend, someone who's really guiding you out there.
Oh, I would consider her my sister for sure.
Oh my,
In that
that is so.
sweetheart, I would tell you, just being with everyone, every single person who has texted her for the doubts for whatever time, she has taken out that time, and despite her busy schedule, she has responded to everyone. Hats off to that. Hats off.
Yes, that's absolutely true. She's such a helpful person, and every person I've asked about her, they've said the same thing. She's no matter what how hard her schedule is, she's always been there to guide everyone, to support everyone.
Honestly, we might have disappointed her by not attending or being busy with some other things, but I would really say I would apologize for that. And sincerely, she has been such a lovely person. She has not been offended by any of that.
Okay, wow, that is so nice. That is so nice to hear. I'm really glad that we as a team have been helpful to you. And listening to such beautiful comments, it really cheers us up and makes us feel so motivated.
I mean, what you all are
Okay,
doing is nothing compared to what we are doing. So thank you.
yes, definitely, of course. Okay, so now apart from the facilitator, you also have, classmates like, peers and fellow learners. So how was your experience with them?
Oh, it was amazing as usual. And I would say we come from all walks of life, from all parts of the world. And it didn't feel like somebody is not from the same community of us. It was like all of us bringing into that solidarity, that on working on humanitarian grounds and working for the betterment of the society. What better can that be? And mental health being such a stigmatized topic, I feel we are working towards that so that there's a better place. I think that was wonderful.
Okay, wonderful. That is so nice to hear. So, I mean, you gained, do you feel like you gained some companions, some friends that you might have forever?
I gained friends for life. Friends for life. Each one
Okay, wow.
has a special place in my heart now.
Oh, that is amazing. That's so sweet because I always feel like sometimes, when you're with people who have the same objective and, going towards the same thing, as you said, you found Vaishaly ma'am, you found a sister, and now I'm sure you found friends for life. So I feel that that is such a beautiful thing. I feel like this journey has been really remarkable for you, I would say, hasn't it?
It has definitely been remarkable, and it's one of the best moments of my life. I'll add this to my chapter. So I'm so thankful to all of you.
I'm so glad to hear that. I'm truly glad to hear that. Okay, so with your experience, being a part of the Psyche family, what is that one thing that you feel you will take with you forever for the rest of your life?
The learnings, the insight that, especially the practical approach with which she taught us was, I think, to be honest, if I would have enrolled in a diploma class elsewhere, maybe offline or online, I would not have got this much of support, the learnings, the valuable learnings that she has given. This is such tremendous work she has done. I don't think anybody offers this much. Nobody takes this pains. Even in offline class, you won't find even good teachers from great institutes won't be doing so much, which she has done.
Okay. So the experience has really been fulfilling for you and something that I don't think expected maybe?
I don't know. I was like in two minds because I was already with my clinics. I was thinking, will I be able to give that much time? But I think every day I look forward to just when will it be 7:30, and I'll be like with Vaishaly and all my friends.
Oh my God. So the classes were, it's not just like school, where we don't feel like going, it's like you are so joyful. You want to be there.
I would sincerely request the entire Psyche group to please keep this as an offline class, and for a year, not 3 months. No, please, getting to get over in the next week. I'm already really feeling very bad for that. Please don't.
Oh my goodness. that is such a sweet. I mean, I feel so happy internally that someone could actually say something like this about us and about the whole team, and specifically Vaishaly ma'am. So let's talk about the classes. So how were the classes, when it came to doubt clearing and understandability or, recordings of the classes, study materials? How was your experience in that segment?
Yes, my experience for the classes and all the recordings, I think she has done it in such a disciplined way that there was not for a single moment where we felt, okay, this we already know, so let's just skip this or nothing of that sort. Even if we knew few things, she just gave us more clarity into everything. And the way she did it, the creativity part was par excellence, I would say. Every recordings to the worksheets that she has given us, the homework she has designed for everyone, each single doubt solving sessions also, that was fantastic. Everything was more than what we could have expected.
Okay, wow. So it was very, very helpful and it's very insightful, as you just said.
And lovely experience to be being part of this.
Okay, wonderful. That is so wonderful to hear. Okay, so let's talk about maybe some suggestions now. So, as someone who's as experienced as you, and who has also been been part of the Psyche family, is there any suggestion that you would like to give us?
Can you make this a 1-year course or a 2-year course minimum? Please, please, please. My humble request, not a suggestion. My humble request to you. That's the only thing I can say. I would really want to meet all. Sorry?
You feel like you want to learn more with Vaishaly ma'am and the team?
Yes. 100 times yes.
Oh my God, I love the energy over here. I'm feeling it's so wonderful. Okay, I think with the amount of energy that you're giving us today, I think it's enough inspiration for us to maybe work on a 1 or 2 year course. I think that's the first thing to do.
All of you, please.
Definitely. I will be noting that down and I will definitely take it to Vaishaly ma'am personally.
Please do. Please do.
Definitely, definitely.
You're so
Okay, great.
skilled. So, yeah, the energy that you all have given us, the vibes, the positivity that you all have given us as the entire team, I think you all have made our lives, our New Year's, our every event has become so eventful because of you all.
Okay, wow. That is so, I mean, I don't have words anymore to express because ma'am, your energy is out of this world. And I feel like, having you in class would be such a joy that I think I would attend the class because you're there in it.
No. I would love to be there with all of you, please.
Definitely, of course. It would be an honor.
Yeah, it was such a honor for me too. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am, one last thing I have to ask from you. Now, this is one place where a lot of people, I don't know why they get stuck, but it's something that I want to know. So, is there like a quote, a personalized quote that I can get from you regarding Psyche and your experience?
I would say personal experience and the quote. Okay. I know people might have criticized or been saying that, okay, she doesn't remember that the time is expanded, because everybody has a family or everything. But I think if you want to learn something, and if someone who's so dedicated and so punctual and giving you everything that she has in her platter served for you, I think you need to understand the pieces behind her work. So better not criticize. It's not easy to be doing this at such a big level. So rather than telling okay time nahi hai ya ye sochti nahi hai 9:30 ka time diya 7:30 to 9:30, I think stop doing that. Try and understand what takes her to reach there and why we are not there. So tough times never last, tough people do. So that's what Vaishaly and the entire
Very so that is one place where actually I've heard some people criticizing, some people are saying really good because they understand the amount of passion that ma'am has towards the subject. It goes beyond time. It's not time limited. It's just expressing herself.
Do you think and I personally feel if you want to learn something, can you just restrict yourself to that time thing? Okay, आज नहीं पढ़ेंगे क्योंकि क्लास का टाइम खत्म हो रहा है. No, I think all good students, all those who want to learn, have that passion which she also has, because it is because of her energy that we also felt so passionate about the classes. That time, अरे 10:30, 11 o'clock हो रहा है, जाने दो, खाना भी नहीं खाना है, want to learn. That was the thing that she gave us, and I don't think it's fair enough to be doing that to her.
Very true, very true. I mean, the amount of effort that she puts in, and I feel like the amount of effort that everyone is putting in, it's so I feel like we're beyond the criticism regarding this time matter. If you want to learn, you're gonna be there. If you want to learn, if you want to grow, be a visionary like her, then please do enroll in this. Definitely. I absolutely agree with you. This is a lifetime. Do not. Definitely, I agree that is such a nice thing for you to say. I feel like the audience who will be watching us in the future, this is one thing that they really need to hear. It's all about the passion and the drive. Yes, and that keeps her going. So she's so self-motivated that that energy that she passes on is stupendous, amazing. Okay, that is true. That is very wonderful to hear. As I said, I don't have words anymore because, ma'am, your energy, it is just seriously, it is so out of this world. I am really enjoying myself talking to you. I don't want this session to end, actually. But I know yours. But yes, I'll definitely like to stay in touch with you. Yes, of course, absolutely. Okay, ma'am. So I think we have come to the end of this interview session. It was such an honor to meet you, and it is so wonderful talking to you. Firstly, someone as so experienced as you are, I'm getting to talk to them. It is really an honor. And apart from that, as I said, your energy and the charisma that you carry, it is so beautiful. So I really hope to see you soon. I really hope to talk to you soon. So yeah. Thank you to entire team, to Vaishaly and to you, Aishwarya, and to Santanshu also, her brother, who has always been with us for all the help, technical support. So big love to all of you. May you keep growing and shine, and wherever you go, and spread love. That's all. Definitely. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. It was lovely meeting you. I really hope to see you soon. So that's it. Have a great day ahead. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you.